Let's take a look at your LT7 assignment. Make sure you do the first 4 questions in ALEKS. And then a question number 5, make sure you put your name. Number 6, you should have something about using the origin as a vertex. Makes it easier because one of your coordinates is going to be 0, 0. Anytime you have 0, it just makes it easier. Number 7, placing at least one side of the triangle on the X or Y axis makes it easy to calculate the length of the side, since you don't have to use the distance formula to find that point. Number 8, keep it in the first quadrant. Makes all the coordinates easier to work with because they're positive instead of negative. Number 9, we have 2 coordinates of an isosceles triangle, of a right triangle, I should say. So if I've got 0, 0, and over A up 0, now where would be the third coordinate to give me a one that gives me a right triangle? If I do negative A and negative A, notice that that's not going to be a right triangle. There's no reason it has to be a right triangle. If I do negative A and 0, that would put us right on my x-axis. That's not a triangle. If I do negative A and up A, that doesn't make it a right triangle either. If I do 0 down A, then I've got a right triangle right here in the fourth quadrant. If I do 0 and A, once again, I've got a right triangle because I'd have a horizontal and a vertical side. If I do over A and down A, I've got a right triangle because I have the x-axis and then going down. If I go over A and up A, same reason. And if I go over A and up B, I would still have, no matter how I do that, I would still have a right triangle. If I look at number 10, I'm given this model, and we know it's 12 inches, or it has a height of 12 inches. So that makes point B is going to have the coordinates over A and up 12. And then I want to know the slope of the ramp. Well, the slope of the ramp is going to be, remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so my slope, I've actually got a slope triangle here. You see right here at this point. I'm just going to subtract them from my origin. So it'll be 12 minus 0 all over A minus 0. And so we get 12 over A.